for a higher juicy news. Mema Bawumia Kwaba a had the latest hot aqua and I made a bramo and unti so we can subscribe to channel idea Bomodia say over subscribe. The way I say over click a year the subscribe button. Now wabeli notification. We understand video for be a be upload when the first person was ebeka a year sa video. Afi we are now like video. Give us a thumbs up. Now fi share my work for so now when you be here now and somewhere also a Ghana memoir. Afi yembura ye and somewhere abeto yepno so umayenti a year sa reporting somewhere abeto jamainti.
On some one was all of a sudden NPP for a 10 woman ebe yet so mo dwen Ghana for which the Mahama ya to aba
time omulusu ye no
omulusu elections no o me yo mo so mo dwen Ghana for which will be time chief of staff for Chiro letter say omo ayefa wo mo after December 7th elections there was no budget eketa for sankrofo
okay
and inti I was say buy no etna say no ya restructure no we say kwan be no be for sankrofo no so do omo ba be ka payroll no
yes obetua wanka no dey ba betua wanka
ena nana bi mu ne nkrofo ka so omo kokko no mo tiase say president Mahama ba ye oyi nkrofo adi
aso na bi esipen
media eno kra de ye nyina ye nim
yeah
sanya hypocrisy kasa asem we no kwase edi hunkomo but media member Mahama appointees no maba ne say they should be very careful with the people they met there.
Okay.
Enkwafo na amokoto wo mo ho na NPP for ne fa wo madwuma no
na America no say mentwa wa no de bia me ka che say sa technocrats for na wo mo ho no bebre na no so ban be popular be unpopular e gina wo so
aha ti na make akwesi say omo amokoto wo mo ho no be very careful.
Yes,
very and even extra
careful
because enkoma ye no baby amutini nti
monte ana ye ba mo nchen abeka kire mo so a
ye ma kwan
ne ma yo mo hukuntan na mo sisuo
eno na no me ko arabo erikopoku ena me bra justice ka chem so na APA ana ka kire omo wo fam ho na se menua ba dia se wo bo no abo ho a eya mo ma no kwan ne wo mmra eno kra no kwasa mo mani di lie because first day no muni me and no bo appoint na me ba me
bra ka ma wo kwase ho no ni pa ho
me ba me bra ho eti se wuni ma me ka kire
me bra no
erikopoku me aba ma no eti se wuni mu a justice ba to me fam da of my appointment
ayo
ti na wo nkoma ya de ba no wuni nkoma kro because watching no wo na watch akire ho
ma no ma ka kire yes we na ekoso
obi ti say honorable erikopoku on value media and one value information me ha enkobi amọ na baso
enkobi amọ na na wo ye sa akra wuntimi succeed
exactly ni din na nkofo bo honorable erikopoku and wo ye nipa no na obu media bu nipa
exactly
so honorable erikopoku enipa 100 kra na one office obehwe omu nyina asa no wakọ
na da no manka
obehwe omu nyina asa no onfa ho say wo ye MPP ni onfa ho say wo ye NDC ni
wo ye Ghana ni nko ane de
media asem we meka say dia wo peso afa ni bi afa no enye me come appointees no matter mo ho asese enkofo na mokoto wo mo ho no monye careful samudia muni hwe kra na mofa honorable eye jonjinapo
yes
asem na aba na efa cables na ayira ni containers na eye den na honorable eye so mo ko kan containers e wo port omo ko kan containers no why na di figure ne bre no
eno ni asem no
ena ya dan na afredi ekwabi akire no akwa ya bibia o
say yesi akwa de yesi China for ni India for bi akonya makoma ko 40 your office you be say won no o say turn mo last year
and so one will say all of a sudden say ye mu binum na ye no wo ye den ya de
na make say ye 8 what 10 year 8
wo
see etirase
mete meba beka
yes
ya den all of a sudden na ka MPP for so mo ye propaganda say abai we ba ye ya na containers no ye dai watch your back
yes
antis no ye tumufo amuntie
na munya kuntan ye
your back because no MPP for bo wa ba mu no ne be ya equal enti omo to nyina pa ya wo mo bone se tabei omo nte scandal bia wo ba bia enti omo ho hye omo pe bibia ya nyina so akasa watch your back yetumu fa ya muntie o
afutu ensa kire nipa agese enso hwe
eya muntie na ankofo no mo office ho na oh that's the reason why you be no montie assess aban sesa ya na minister na ekọ person de ne ho nkofo trust wo mo
no de o makwa wo
these are some of the issues Ghana for ya dwene nye Ghana for ya dwene nye
yes obai enra na obi ni medi nkomo bi eno se kofi mameka se mi kire wonim senti a eye previous administration no na appointees ni bi wo no ma ya sase enya nsem wo mo ho na na owura no wonim kwan fa so a kofo ni timi ye omadwuma kama na me se minim ano se people ni bi wo ho no mo a omo na wo chuku informations no
ana se de akọ no ahwe na se
o ho ya da hi wa ma ni bi andi na wo mfa ne nya hwe eno so obeka se hwe we oba ni sense kwa ha no mo kwa ha wode na dwapade bi kwa de bi kwa ha no mo de aba enti ayobo mo nkrofo na na enti se de ye ka no wa ya bo ni a wo ya appointee a his excellency John Dramani Mahama bo ni se bra na ne nya adwuma no enye dwe enya hantan enye kuntan wo ko obi office na anu kuntan na omina ne no hwew aso ne to aba ne do ba besi wo
o ko say
na buku appointment na sa
ya munyaye
ya to aba no Ghana for to aba mo ka se muku appointment ne fa to aba
media me meka na se de tie
roma ya ni abre pa enye mu nyina o
obi ani ho no
enye mu nyina oba pa na kan enye mu nyina
yes
enye mu nyina but mo a mo ye dwe no munim
oba so ne adware afiri ne fie na wako office bi mu a oni purpose
yes so no ni adwuma ye nti
oni dwuma bi adi nti ro sorry ya no akọ ministry ade am ko minister of education minister of health me ko minister of this minister of that sa brofo na mo de ama asia hofo na mo sorry a wo appointment na kasa sa brofo no munya na grassroots fo no enye omo nyina na wo mo numbers na wabuku no waba munya sa hantan no so mo yes ade no mo na mo be pass mama aban
yes
because obi ni one ho abo no ho so a obo so dey free the fear so ko ministry only puta yesi na ni so
exactly
at least tie ni panasem eya kwase asem no ka na ya wo discretion and oba yusu no wo sa asem ani padi kan we wasam fa okay we dey wasam de to ha but please don't look down on people appointment and I sa brofo no me ni madam ko fa free MPP for ya for 8 years mo so ba ya mo so mo ye bi
no me 8 years ko si o mo sen
mo ye bi
and another problem ya another problem say amafo bebre so asese o na mess na grassroots fo ni ni o wasesa no and na ye ma abufuo be sha amafo mu no e ma abufuo anu kan be sha amafo
mo ma ne ye ya dodo mo ma ne ye
Druska, every problem information be a babu.
That's what I'm talking about.
And yes, country will be baho. Grass Yanni a back on my summer mom. Yes, country no more. Some information about what would you man. Movie of renting waba and not just obey at Scabano. So I can on your mama. Money machines who office. It is Wabana Sikan Wapa, your Casa Dempo Abeka, Babana say 7 predators or Maya Juman ye. It is a one Casa one word, then Basu Benya be a Medipana fine. Would you be away and Yanto? Namunja, now what book appointment, now what book was Akasana me do an Ametiana time. Now Kwafo Gwasia wo bebre obi o ha be kwanu aye stranded communicators obi timi tena wo be 4 to 5 hours not wo
ade ya say on the minister need appointment and so what minister are different only time are different
o be ka so ko ade say ni wa ba eno yeti so be wesi nipa the time dey atena wa no mo
anyway
baba yanko
ya ti ya de betimi aka no ya ka kire wo afutuo we ensa kire nipa sorry people for you almost 2 almost for ya anti government wo 2 almost for bia no muntie omo bokro no ya ka no mumua yen omo bua de ya ka no mumua yen de ye betimi no eno ne ye but media me say ekwan bia was president Mahama government effort to succeed no that is my priority because president Mahama succeed a me bre. You know why I'm ebre? Krono mu ya dia maso be hye. dollar tea free ana ekoi enya business community no kwa na ebre o minu mienu nyina ye ebre bi because dollar na ekosoro no na fuwa no so okosoro dollar na ekosoro na niema na omu port ba ne buo ye de me bre because me kom no makatua ne yantumu akati akrana na meje enti mani abresa wasa president Mahama succeed ne kire say me sika na meje no e wasa sika ne nya value ahwe no enti me aboa afoforo nso a woni bie onu wanya bia ma na ho eye ya papa unless we most of times when I pick my phone every morning na me hear messages are abegu me phone so a ni nyina ya request obi wo ha ope 50 cedis obi per 100 cedis na no obi ka cha me say ope 5000 wadi kodiga ope getire obi bi sa wade no wanya bia ma na eye ya enti so aman ni mu ya dia e affect obi a eno ni ade a wose nyina ye te ye ho ase enti sa wo ye Ghana ni na bibi koso na wo na sa wo se wo nka e che se bia wo dia wo da apem so wo ho tow ba ye be kasa na ye be dede ne de ye kasa because ye nim se wo man no ye e ko ba bia e ye wrong direction no e che se na simple ye nyina ya bebre enti ye ntena si mia ya no se oman no kwasa yansa ye dedema MPP ese Criés dia wo ma ye ni me pa anya na say ye twa ye ho be ye twa ye ho ni fa eka ye kwa ye chi eka ye nanom asem we beka ama se okwa ase dwama so kwa so se wokopo bosia asoman oman te se Ghana ye kopo bosia ye se ye maye ye wonya akona because ye bobosia ye ntua ye de car ye ntua. And the whole thing is that yakobo bosia na kwabra ne abedi wonanum bosia be ne yabo ayedi wo yanum afaso abaso abetimi atua kane back asem we what be da na whole finance minister or say makobo bosia ma raise bond ro say euro bond amana banti no akoye kenke party watch party kan ofori ata okrom ha ya kai we mu aye o man ne say ye no ebranti me expect some me aba no I cannot keep quiet because I cannot sit down aloof and watch the President Mahama appointees be any adwuma because adwuma na President Mahama ehye no I was set to this situation because baby President Mahama hye Ghana dru ye no ya divert kakra Akufo Addo ne nkofo ba obadwiri ni nyina atu agu asesa ni nya de agu aminam akata so. We can't afford to say yadi yabati ebetu to amena no ni ayimu de tie ni apejo amana ba besi enkonkon so ni yarase ebetu foundation no na obi subayinti na wasa ade ne san back na omo sa be say no bra sister eno enye adwuma enti sa wo ye minister wo ye CEO wo ye hwanyo bompaye hwa scandal de baby abefiri abaw enfa me ho yabaka asa President Mahama be sakew ni ajeliw because we ga pele mo amokoda mu no unya nipa nche wo mo omo ya DC na omo ya President Mahama na point isa no omo adwuma ye omokoda mu no wo nche enti bone be frankate papa ni mo ye be you want to put it in your head na munyai say obi be hwehwe mo a woni appointment woni appointment abrofo no mo kofa we now we ministries ni bi na grassroots na is stranded meanwhile time na wo pe chobo ye no one kan chiro bi so mebuku appointment wo one sana woni na akoka chobo ye ni anyina ya bo banka chobo ye na wie na sa me ba hwehwe wa ave do aseme wo appointment na me no na ti ni manya appointment ya no mo na ti munya sa suban no na enye now enra ana ya ne animdefo be di nkomo and now some started send discussions across social media and I make say issues say bana say wunim dia ya mefo anu ntum because me asama me de manu betum no is either say me wo hunim dia and now say mepo obi o hunim dia na me na di hu nkomo and no na crofo shase eye dede so o monti ase atro krata Excellency John Dramani Mahama say, copies of petition na omundi aba say, President Mahama enyina sunu wonyina di. Akufo so akwakai article 146. No be hu. And I say that Chief Justice no one rising from all the rank and file. And I Chief Justice level no. You want to tell me say onim article 146. And now onim dia oho. Maybe she's also trying to test the law. Because now no issue ne started say eboboba no. She said it. It's article 146 of the 1992 Constitution no, or saying it outlines the procedure for removing justice of the Supreme of the judicature and a chairman of regional tribunals, emphasizing that removal can only occur for stated misbehavior, incompetence, or inability to perform duties due to 146 and for every Chief Justice our social media no so say onkwa kan no me patcho me ya sure say Chief Justice onim asema article 146 onim and onim say reasons and president betimi agina so no wayi na die no ewo so. There's another one no explaining more. It's Smith final to so nafa lawyer Bremen na fe yan konentem. Yes, thank you very much. And never kind brafuni bi article 146 kuranani a justice of the superior court but where Supreme Court justice my be first one ye be yi womodi a justice of the superior court of judicature of a chairman of may only be removed in accordance with the procedure specified in this article. 3 or see if the president receive a petition for the removal of a justice of a superior court other than the Chief Justice or for the removal of a regional tribunal, this shall refer to the Chief Justice, who shall determine whether there is a prima facie case. When the Chief Justice decides that there is a prima facie case, he shall set up a committee consisting of 3 justices of the Superior Court, of chairman of the regional tribunal, or both, appointed by the Judicial Council, and 2 other persons who are not members of the Council of State, nor members of Parliament, nor lawyers, and who shall be appointed by the Chief Justice on the advice of the Council of State. 6 no eho na asem ne wo mamen jumping 5 na me ko 6 or say where the petition is for the removal justice, the president shall act in consultation with the Council of State, appoint a committee consisting of 2 justices of the Supreme Court, one of whom shall be appointed chairman by the president, persons members of the council, nor members of parliament, nor lawyers. The committee appointed under clause 6 of this article shall inquire into the petition and recommend to the president whether the Chief Justice ought to be removed from office. All proceedings under this article shall be held in camera, and the justice or chairman against whom the petition is made is entitled to be heard in his defense by himself or by a lawyer or other expert of his choice. The president shall in each case act in accordance with the recommendations of the committee. Where a petition has been referred to the committee under this article, the president, in the case of the Chief Justice, acting in accordance with the advice of the Council of State by warrant signed by him, suspend the Chief Justice. B. No mediano chatua in the case of any other justice of a superior court or of a regional tribunal in accordance with the advice of the Judicial Council, suspend that justice or that chairman of a regional tribunal. Article 146 na enra na enkwafo ani abrese Chief Justice nkonkwo kan no enyema ewo ni enti that's the same procedure and a president follow all young adwuma sene beya mra ne so a yebefra chief justice so ono aka so ba be defend ne ho anasa owo lawyer bi oba be gina mu aka na asem ama na na eno eye chief justice no the discretion as on own decision a obe yusu enti for her to write to president to say piece of the petition no eno na me say so wonyo obi a woni mu mra mu eye privy to that particular issue discussing it will be wrong. Enti na bibisa na yebefra lawyers no mo ma kire yen no ma abia so a kire yen say chief justice our ho na nkrofo ka din attempt do please in as much as say yemu binom ya dwen yen say chief justice no oni Ghana fo ani ni yie woni ama ba ko mienu miensa bia ne expect say ko obeye wanya ni yie no wanya ne kwan so nti no yeba support say bia president Mahama say committee ne tena se na bibia go through ne ya investigation ne ya say misbehavior na ewo mu no ewo mu a ene na say president bayi na me ya sure say Ghana for do na ni beji because ade ama Ghana for ye dwa chief justice LGBTQ+ one case and afa ukwa emrase bedwafie mu a speaker adwuma oye declaring some because members of parliament are no more hono and declare one intention to go independent. Ama filing one documents and the ama EC so omuko independent. Some of them are mobile independent are running on the ticket of a political party. This whole issue any fast to treat man Joe panel just say and you may call so proud to 2024 elections you know people are of the view say chief justice you know I say for your bias and now say ebia on Ghana for any ye enti enkofo ani abria wo mo epese chief justice you know ye be you know mame kwa ahoma no so na me ne lawyer Anno Pon enkodi enkomo lawyer good morning. Hello lawyer good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho boko de
Pacho
ya da nyame ase anope so me da sepa na se na ya metime tete wo no putupuru kra na mafrɛ wo na so wo gye me so me da sepa papa na anope wadaro ma wo de yebekɔ school kakra chief justice petition e call president ho any committee a wate se wo mo start enye ho process no na enya na tie a show letter akwa say of copies of the petition me patro emra mu no ne kwan so a
yo me pato who said Chief Justice Atro and the President Mahama and man copy of petitions now for church. No listen to the chance here and prepare na year and sana a breno yasete up color no ye deba nisin. Now, okay, in the cat at one, go to Article 146. Yes, that is a joke for PR18. Go to 146 cross 6. And the 2 be our regional more Casano and Roman. And Sana, yes, a check up committee, no, that was cross 7 or no more churches. No claiming a what? Be any what? Excess and Sana. The share committee no asenu say ye petition no copy e kokoma chief justice the ni wa e tresa na mum nia e kire me say the president enya jakra tano e say o notify council of state no be enu akambom a set up committee no into process ni that me say implicitly, that's your implicitly said, a shebu said, and I can't be young, sir, Muno. Or bet you may hear, said, say, President, they suck out. No one has to Cecilia, the Akufo Addo, immediately one. No way, dear. Or the Cratano, Upper Down Council of States, no, but your close bet ya. the president is a kakratami. President is in the Juma and the law and Ambra. Yeah, a lot of now you keep this in point and obey president. In the Juma Debra, in the Sakaya, on your account, led by Attorney General. That's national to say. Assembly national woman, national year. And to the moment I want to say president and the Katano Akko petition now Council of State. That is why I'm not going to say. Okay. Council of State issue. I don't know how to issue. Okay. Who said Cecilia and your mama copies. The question is that is he right or wrong? Yeah. The answer no yet yes or no. Okay. We can't no. No, let's say the Mra and a Juma. Article 146 plus 6 no question. Be what the president in Saka petition. No, you're not just or the Kwaku Council of State is a should not fail. You must set up committee immediately. There's some Chief Justice non-prepared said one son and family as that's what if you should be clear what is happening. He said, Yama talk of Ekasa in plain language, you know, you sure the our constitution, no, in the not an union. I said, yes, no, and they said, in the you know, a friend of otchere party said, who the Kumaka, Manusiono, and Sana, with the secretary. Nipano, we are there, the Nipa Kutina, Assembly, our committee beer, we are talking. No, we are there before said committee no best started Nejuman, all but friend no officially, you are notified. May have one committee members, not say Yaman copy of the petition. And yet, the opportunity is here, no channel. Okay, no surprise, no. Court to grants and over you say. You better can't report and crack anything now. There no better court. There no they get the other surprise. Who said, guilty or not what they say, the guilty or not say, hey, now say, baby, daddy, the declared trouble, you wouldn't be a son. Until no near my relationship. Remember, the piece of prepared, which I said, committee to cry, SAT. That's another Council of State. Pierre Petition. Me a kasi yonya set up bibia. That's how this time. Me a more committee. Sorry, petition no copies. No one will call for a church. Acquire the petition from that time. Be prior church being a choice. Let us always have to optimize it. Because church is also a citizen of Ghana. And you can put the American. And you're right. You are some of those who are yeah, person one talks me up. Why? It's all trying to catch the say. Now, what's the bad consumer back on? The committee no ADC. And yet they are already less than anyone yet members. And they quite the money. Yet the man, yet the man for. Or those young farmer more than at least a week. Yeah, so no matter. Bia, me patrol me time my yes at. Me time my yes best at. It's always here before here. The year mama president and the council of state there and your talk. Na time ni dia. Na ka 1 week mo mo asetia. No matter what. The people sufficient to notice. Be gra. E be 2 weeks or 3 weeks and say we mo asetia. The fees of the credit wodo. Na and most man dey no patrol ni party sabe no. Na what pass here say. Now, come here, some and say, "Now, what am I doing here?" Sure. No, we didn't want to cry. Why? The black yes, she's wrong. They will carry them. Make crank. Yes, my okay. Lawyer me pacho wo Chief Justice e free say you born din eniama akoso e wo ye judicial system no mo enya ono nkwa as any predecessors no as a Ghana for elusu trust when it comes to your judicial system eniama bebre akoso e wo ye court ahodo mo ne ruling aba Ghana for yetimi atrafia predict ama ampa ye be na ruling no the same thing which ankanya normal Sani ama wenyina akoso yi wodi yenyi mmara no si nchane yemra nipa fam kakra sa enti Chief Justice say ya no wati bi no se no wati na mukuru me no nipa na
Eti ano sa
once you say the family chief justice what you could be a one to could you one no member so one no me
sure. Eti say obat oye chief justice na ebia nyina I to trust Samanase process ni mu no ne papa mu a sanko be baka sa ne ka wo kwa cho ho ne am obi so meya me yanhwe
the pastor so me you was it's a very big good question we bisa ya me you was no and me can say that na no way action no say you go for be you can say you breacher when you get the prime minister or president or chief justice. Yeah, this petition the ba we can buy it now.
Yes.
And you put the Dr. the ba ko kan. Na say you go to problem say financial pressure. Na when you can watch no we say you there. Na can go jina say you crofo won here below her standard. Because I get it from you no I do one better no. Omo your no no.
Okay.
Ordinary people and your lawyer, what your council state, omo your parliamentarians and that. Nearby the county, where you are actually say they your PN near wise let us watch in bed. Now, me say, so I'm trying to get the path from that. And yet, you put thousand publicly in your confidence with that. And the reason is that the position of Chief Justice and you're very sensitive.
Yeah. And
at the position of electoral commissioner or electoral commission chairman, no. I must say you're sensitive. I didn't. President who are the electoral commissioner will know and answer the party every Sunday. Now, Secretary has a double now. Secretary from now we party. Chief Justice and also cases are common in your constitutional cases now. What for? I'm not saying in our constitution, affected otchere
yeah.
And our also made Chief Justice, position constitution not politicizing us. I can say a young Kenya for the position of Chief Justice attack naturally or qualified patron application local. Okay. Yes, set up an independent committee open the day panelists and get interview. The Central Ghana can make us a Council of State, National House of Chiefs, the Ghana Bar Association, you do the Judicial Service, and the University Teachers Association of Ghana, the Christian Council of Ghana, Muslim, right? And when you say people wait and she. No one with a politician it is all what no one to one obviously way and no factors the Chief Justice of Ghana. Near NAPO Parliament, acquired the day back last year, or Bawumia, and you're still who said, Nakoma and the president Biaho, and the Nakuma party Biaho. What way is the young president in any party, which were the young Nejuma. Unfortunately, Yanya constitution, they say, and yes, a president in a nominating department. And the president is so in the Konyaso or should be president, Mr. One need of dear at the park players, me, the second bishop and sense of our when you also there the Council of State and Council of State in both SOBia, almost should be said that in 4 years. The president and I are now a war to be the deal of the so one. A new parliament, a majority of seats. It's yet dear. One not yet the day you walk out with it, but one thing, not the trough when you are catching no meeting, no move for proposal in constitutional review committee said, why are you first to be electoral commissioner and the Chief Justice? Politicians.
Yeah.
This is our 1,000 problem that electoral commissioner. The position of equivalent to court of appeal judge.
Yeah.
And then the court of appeal judge be a person yet electoral commission woman mechanical. Open for one application number.
Exactly.
The other mechanic, the Ghana Bar Association, National House of Chiefs, Christian Council, open come on the power. Let's just go now a side freeway, or you know, exactly. What you can mention, I Akufo Addo the evil. Not the same Akufo Addo, the party by Sunday, a lesson maybe. Office of AFA. But the mention or this year, that's it, Akufo Addo the evil. And the mention will vote. That will be our vote. It was a look at it, or to a man, or that's one never Akufo Addo. I didn't see what I saw a to one, and this year, all the young and show me, and I said, this is power and clear family. It is some woman moving. So I know what some like the social media, you publish man of the PSA, which is just 1,000. Not for not the same constitution here, I can't watch him procedure. What politicize the place, you know, already. We should depoliticize the place. My answer is that. And yes, I can be a baby by me if you go. So we need to want for that also. And this is way. Now, Mahama, on top of you, you are shedding now. Or you MPP here, Akufo Addo, the Derko, you are really bad.
You wait for Winnie and someone about it or your pronoso. Mikau says, so when you subscribe to channel idea, Bomodia say, over subscribe. Now, I like video to give us a thumbs up, Nafi, share my for Frosuna, will you be here now and somewhere Koso, Ewo Ghana memoir. Also with me otchere wadwen afa ye some we nyira ho ewo comment box ni mu mobeti renkabio in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.